Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple vanilla cake. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 125 grams of butter, 305 milliliter of condensed milk, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, 5 medium large eggs, a pinch of salt, and lastly 250 grams of wheat flour. In a medium large bowl, you're going to add 125 grams of butter and 305 milliliter of condensed milk. Then take a hand mixer or a wooden spoon and mix the two ingredients very well. Using a large sieve, you're going to add 250 grams of wheat flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Then sieve all the dry ingredients into the bowl. Then afterwards, take your hand mixer or a wooden spoon and mix everything well. Lastly, you're going to add the 5 eggs. Add the eggs slowly while mixing till everything is well mixed into a smooth batter. Continue mixing everything till your mixture becomes smooth like this. Then your cake mixture is ready. Afterwards, you're going to take your baking pan. Place a baking sheet at the bottom so that the cake doesn't stick at the bottom. Then afterwards, pour the cake mixture into the baking pan. Then afterwards, shake your cake batter a bit as you can see in the video so that the cake batter spreads evenly around the pan. Then you're going to bake in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes till your cake is well baked. After 30 to 40 minutes, my vanilla plain cake is ready as you can see in the video. Let it cool down completely before removing it from the baking pan. After a couple of minutes, my cake has cooled down. I'm going to remove it from the pan. As you can see in the video, the cake is nicely baked at the bottom and at the top, and serve your cake on a plate. I'm going to cut a piece so you can able to see how well baked the cake is. Like, look how soft the cake looks. As you can see in the video, the cake is moist and so soft and very tasty, and enjoy your vanilla cake. Serve your vanilla cake with a cup of tea, milk or juice, and enjoy your vanilla cake. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.